He was fully restrained and the door was locked.
Yes, sir. I did it myself.
And he was fully sedated.
He was fully sedated.
Then are you trying to tell me a fully sedated, fully restrained patient somehow slipped out that vent, replaced the grill behind him, and is wriggling his way through the ventilation system?
You sure fucked up.
Where are you?
Ah, you can talk. What you do? Volunteer.
My name's not Bob.
Not a problem, Bob. Where'd they send you?
Where are you?
Another cell. Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe? What's that supposed to mean?
Maybe. Means maybe I'm in the next cell. Another volunteer like you. Or maybe I'm in the central office, spying on you for all those science bozos. Or hey, maybe I'm not even here. Maybe I'm just in your head. No way to confirm anything. Where'd they send you?
1990.
90? How was it? Good drugs? Lots of pussy? Hey, Bob, you do the job? Did you find out the big info? Army of the 12 Monkeys?
It's supposed to be 1996.
Science ain't an exact science with these clowns, but they're getting better. You're lucky you didn't end up in ancient Egypt. Shh, they're coming.
The Freedom for Animals Association on 2nd Avenue is the secret headquarters of the Army of the 12 Monkeys. They're the ones who are going to do it. I can't do anymore. I have to go now. Have a Merry Christmas!
Well,
What?
did you or did you not record that message?
It's a reconstruction of a deteriorated report.
Weak signal on our number. We have to put them together one word at a time, like jigsaw puzzles.
We just finished rebuilding this. Did you or did you not make this call?
I couldn't make any call. Sent me to the wrong year. It was 1990.
90.
You're certain of that? What'd you do with your time, Cole? Did you waste it on drugs? Women?
They forced me to take drugs.
Forced you? Why would someone force you to take drugs?
I was in trouble. I got arrested. I did what you wanted. I got a specimen, a spider. I didn't have any place to put it, so I ate it. But you sent me to the wrong year, so probably doesn't matter.
Did you see this when you went back?
No, sir, I don't think so.
What about these people? Did you see any of these people?
No. No. Oh, wait. Wait.
Here? You saw that man?
Maybe in the mental institution.
You were in a mental institution? Oh, God.
Cole, you were sent back to make some very important observations.
You could have made a real contribution.
Helped to reclaim the planet.
As well as reducing your sentence.
The question is, Cole, do you want another chance?
Last connection going on.
Stand clear.
Your choice.
We'll go with that.
mistakes this time, Cole.
Stay alert. Keep your eyes open.
I'm thinking about the spider, Cole. Try to do something like that again.
Just relax now, don't fight it. We're sending you to the third quarter of 1996, right on the money.